Okay, this exercise is a half kneeling hip extension exercise where we're going to be utilizing either or both a passive stretch and then the PAILs and RAILs in order to open up a little bit of space in the front of that hip. The setup is pretty easy. You may need something in order to protect that knee, but we want to set you up 90 degrees at both knees, hips facing forward. Your toe can be up or down, okay? And the first thing is to try and tuck that tailbone underneath, keep the rib cage down, and find stretch in the front. We don't need to dump forward into the low back, or we shouldn't need to in order to find that stretch. The tucking of the pelvis and that rib cage down should be enough to feel that stretch. If you're looking to really open up that space over a longer period of time, 2 minutes would be the hold. If you're doing it to sort of activate that area or just to get, just to push to your outer edge because you've been sat down or maybe you've done some rowing or cycling, then what you can do is just spend a little bit of time there and then rib cage down. Your PAILs movement, in order to load this stretch tissue, would be thinking about squeezing the bum and pulling your front foot and your knee together, or you can think about dragging that knee at the back along the floor. You will ramp that up, okay, until your allotted percentage of effort. And then you can do your rails movement, which is to squeeze the bum really, really hard and to think about pushing apart, knee traveling backwards, front foot traveling forwards, and then you can start to push that hip forward slightly. Again, don't dump. We really want to all be coming all through here, all through that front leg, back leg. Squeeze, 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 driving that leg back into more hip extension. 3 to 5 rounds for your allotted time, both legs. Enjoy.